You've probably come across YouTube channels that are blowing up right now. They're super popular, with tons of views and subscribers. You might think making these videos is really hard, but the truth is, the people running these channels spend less than 2 hours creating each video, because it's actually very simple. And guess what? These channels are earning a decent amount of money. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make videos like these and launch your own YouTube channel. For example, one channel has already gotten 125,000 subscribers with just 11 videos and millions of views. Another channel in this space is making thousands of dollars. The secret? All these channels use basic stick figure animations for their visuals. So, let's jump right into how you can create these videos. You can apply this to any topic, like motivation, self-improvement, or education. Check out this example video I made for the self-improvement niche using stick figure animations.
You know that feeling when you're about to give a presentation, and suddenly your brain decides to go on vacation, your palms get sweaty, your heart starts racing, and you feel like you just swallowed a basketball? Yeah, that's fear messing with you. But what if I told you fear isn't actually the enemy? What if I told you it's your secret weapon? Stick around, because by the end of this video, fear won't stand a chance against you.
We're going to make this video from start to finish. It's going to be easy and entertaining. So stick around until the end. It's really important, and you don't want to miss anything. The whole process has just 3 steps, and I'll be using 3 different tools to get it done. For writing the script, I'll use ChatGPT, but you can also use DeepSeek if you prefer. I'll create a script for the topic self-motivation using ChatGPT. All you have to do is copy this prompt, replace the topic with your own, and it will generate a script for a 3 to 4 minute video. As you can see, it only took a few seconds to get a complete script. I think GPT does a better job at making unique and engaging scripts compared to DeepSeek, which is why I switched to it. This script is perfect, exactly what I needed. Now we need a voiceover, and for that, I will use Fish Audio AI. Fish Audio is a text-to-speech tool that provides high-quality, realistic AI voices, which you can use in your videos. Its highly realistic AI-generated speech can make your videos more engaging. Another great feature of this tool is voice cloning, where you can create a clone of any voice and use it as needed. Sounds amazing, right? After signing up, you will see a simple interface. With the free sign-up, you get 500 words for free. To generate a voiceover, first, copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it into Fish Audio AI. Keep the voice model as it is and click on the Select Voice Model option. Choose your language first. You will find several pre-made voice clones that you can use directly if you like them. If you want an energetic and powerful voice, select the Energetic Male voice. After selecting the voice, click Use Voice and then click Create. In just a few seconds, your script will be converted into a professional voiceover, which you can easily download.
You know that feeling when you're about to give a presentation, and suddenly your brain decides to go on vacation, your palms get sweaty, your heart starts racing, and you feel like you just swallowed a basketball? Yeah, that's fear messing with you. But what if I told you fear isn't actually the enemy? What if I told you it's your secret weapon? Stick around, because by the end of this video, fear won't stand a chance against you.
Fish Audio AI is an affordable and high-quality tool that offers better features than many other text-to-speech tools. You can use it however you like and take your videos to the next level. Now, let's move on to the most important part of the video, creating the animations. First, log into your Canva account and click on Create a Design. Since this is a YouTube video, choose a canvas size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Search for YouTube video in Canva's search bar and select a template. This will be your editing workspace. Next, click on the duration option and set it to 30 seconds. This will be one scene. You'll create multiple scenes like this later. Go to the Upload section and click Upload File to add your voiceover files. Drag the first voiceover file into the timeline and adjust the scene length to match the voiceover. Then click on the Elements tab and search for a paper background. Pick one you like and resize it to fit the canvas. Now, listen carefully to the voiceover because we'll break it into smaller scenes. For example, take this line.
You know that feeling when you're about to give a presentation, and suddenly your brain decides to go on vacation, your palms get sweaty, your heart starts racing?
We can split this into 3 scenes: a stick figure giving a presentation, a brain or basketball graphic, and another stick figure looking at his hands. To create these scenes, go to the Elements tab and search for stick figures under Graphics. Choose a style you like, or find stick figures from free sites like Pixabay and upload them to Canva. Add stick figures, text, and other graphics to match the script. Click on Add Text and choose the font style and size. I'll choose this one after that. Add your text into the text box and place it in the right direction. Repeat this process for the entire script. Once you start doing this, you'll realize how simple and fun it is to create these animations. Finally, let's add some background music to make the video more engaging. Make sure to download royalty-free music from the YouTube audio library to avoid any copyright problems. Once you have the music, upload it to Canva and add it to the timeline. Use the top menu to lower the volume of the background music so it doesn't clash with or overpower the voiceover. This way, the music will complement the video without distracting from the main content. Once everything is set, you can download the video as an MP4 file, and your video is ready to go. I hope you found this guide helpful and learned something valuable from today's video. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below. Best of luck with your video creation journey, and I wish you all the success.
You know that feeling when you're about to give a presentation, and suddenly your brain decides to go on vacation, your palms get sweaty, your heart starts racing, and you feel like you just swallowed a basketball? Yeah, that's fear messing with you. But what if I told you fear isn't actually the enemy? What if I told you it's your secret weapon? Stick around, because by the end of this video, fear won't stand a chance against you.